obviously we're showing you how Seminyak Kuta Legian nightlife. So today, you know, at night time, we go to Ubud. We will show you how is hustle and bustle life in Ubud at night. You see behind me the traffic is already.
So this is the traffic in Ubud, guys, at night. Actually, it's 7 p.m. already night in Bali, and I'm gonna tell you guys, it's busy. That's Damian behind the camera, by the way. We need to make an opening of the video, but seriously, guys, it's actually very, very busy. I can say, even there are some people walking on the streets and everything. Whoa, whoa, actually. Very busy, I could say. Check this out. And then the restaurant situation. So guys, I'm gonna tell you, yeah, Ubud looks very busy nowadays. I have to say, like I said, top 3 destinations. But well, everything is open. Traffic is already back. What else I can say? I just want to show you how does it look like today around.
So if most of you planning to come to Bali, especially staying in Ubud and thinking that where to go when it is night time. So yeah, this is the video that we're showing you how it is. The traffic is bad, so people, so many international tourists, domestic tourists, you know, you can see, you can spot everywhere walking. And yeah, so what I can say, it's good, you know, I'm so happy to see that it's good on business time, you know, but the bad things, it's difficult to walk everywhere because the traffic.
So this is the corner of Jalan Kajeng, next to the, you know, the Pura Sarasvati in Ubud. And check this, look at this guy. This is like a crazy situation, as you cannot, nobody is moving anymore. So I could say the Bali is back, the real Bali, what many of you guys remember. Some of you missing, so maybe not, but everything is like that, busy again. Traffic, 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 but meanwhile all the restaurants are open and they are busy again as well. So, well, for some reason it's very happy to see that as everything is going back, right? And well, so many tourists walking around as well, so that's happy days, really happy days.
Okay guys, so now we are heading to the Ubud center, which is the intersection, mostly like, you know, in the Puri Ubud, right? So
yeah. Check
this
this out,
is the
what's
intersection. You see that how it is. Wow, the traffic's so crazy.
Crazy situation, check this out, what's going on. Also over here next to the King Palace is some nice gate with some decorations, taxi driver and stuff like this, but overall situation on the roads is
Chaos.
Chaos.
What I can say, wow.
Entertainment in Bali lah. Alright, so we have to cross the street right now. Should be alright, there is the situation, there are some people driving. Well, normal, another day in Bali I could say, right? Actually
yeah.
Night, because it's already after 7 p.m.
So the traffic is crazy, you know. The volume of the transportation, you see, everywhere increasing time by time. Even like if you want to cross the street, you feel like you have to be quick and fast. So yeah, this is how it is, the situation in Ubud center. Basically, if you see the traffic like this, are you dare enough to drive your own scooter here in Ubud center, or you just prefer to just like, you know, take a taxi and then drive with them?
We read somewhere in some very popular media in Bali in Indonesia, they said as the Ubud is actually top 1 destination in Bali Island right now in 2020 after the pandemic, guys. So that means something, and seems like actually it can be true because it's very, very busy. As you see all the time, so many tourists walking around. When we film here every time, and you can see the progress, and now it's very busy. I could say it's nearly come back, or maybe even come back like it was before.
So you see behind me, like this is, you know, Ubud is already back, business already bouncing back. I can say that Ubud is the number 1, and second Canggu, and the last one is Uluwatu, because obviously I can see, you know, people walking on the street, you know, buying something on the shop, they enjoying their time. This is it.
Hello little lady, how are you? What do you have today? Hello. Brass, why you don't in school? You should be at school, no? Doing homework, no? When I was in your age, I was at home making a homework. Also from our experiences, we are going every day somewhere for you to making videos so you can enjoy it. We realized Seminyak also, especially on the Eat Street and Petit Tenget, is quite busy, I could say. It could be number 3 also regarding the busy parts of Bali. However, if you're gonna get at the same time to Kuta or Legian, it doesn't look as that optimistic, I could say, right? Sanur is always the same like it used to be during even the pandemic because, well, so many expats living there. However, Ubud, definitely very busy, guys.
So seems like walking on the walking path while we are making video. It seems like, you know, people cannot walk behind us. So better we just sit here and talk. So this is it. All the shops are open in Ubud and business already back. And then taxi drivers, you know, you see over there parking the car on the street on the left side and motorbike. So that's why I think, you know, that makes traffic besides the increasing number of the transportation on this street. Okay guys, so now I will show you how is the Eat Street in Jalan Monkey Forest. Behind me I can see the restaurant is almost full house. Follow me.
Alright, seriously guys, this is the first time in my career that I'm making, like, I made over 800 videos on my YouTube channel, about 700 videos from Bali just in general since the beginning of the, you know, all the situation that we had in the past 2 years. And this is the first time when it's quite difficult for me to walk on the street with the camera on the top of me and filming, because I don't want to accidentally touch or hit somebody using my camera. It's so busy, guys, but which is very optimistic actually. I'm not complaining about that, but I'm just saying it's very busy nowadays.